Most Ford owners believe they know their vehicle. They use the engine, the steering wheel, the screen, and the pedals every day. But what many drivers don't realize is that their Ford already includes dozens of features and accessories they never activate, never configure, or don't know how to use properly. Not because they are hidden on purpose, but because no one ever explains when to use them, how to turn them on, and why they matter in real driving situations. In this guide, we'll walk step by step through the Ford features you already have, showing you exactly where they are, how to activate them, when to use them, and what mistakes to avoid. Backhand index pointing right before we continue. Subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, but it helps us keep creating practical guides that explain the technology you already paid for, without upgrades, without gimmicks. Let's start with the systems almost every modern Ford has, but most drivers leave in default mode forever. Ford drive modes are not just labels on a screen. They change how your vehicle behaves mechanically and electronically. When you select normal mode, the car balances comfort and efficiency. Eco mode softens throttle response and changes gear shifts to reduce fuel consumption. Sport mode sharpens acceleration, holds gears longer, and improves steering response. Slippery mode is designed for rain, snow, and ice, reducing wheel spin and increasing stability control. Tow or haul mode is essential when towing because it improves transmission behavior, cooling, and engine braking. The mistake most drivers make is never changing modes. The correct way to use them is situational. Eco mode in city traffic saves fuel. Sport mode helps during highway merging or overtaking. Slippery mode should be activated before traction is lost, not after. Using the right mode reduces stress on the drivetrain and improves safety. Next comes adaptive cruise control, one of the most misunderstood features in Ford vehicles. Many drivers try it once, feel the car brake automatically, and turn it off forever. But adaptive cruise is designed to reduce fatigue, not replace attention. To use it properly, activate cruise control from the steering wheel, then set the following distance. Ford allows multiple distance levels, and this is where most frustration comes from. Too close feels aggressive. Too far feels slow. Adjust it until braking feels natural. Use adaptive cruise on highways and in stop-and-go traffic. Avoid using it in tight urban intersections or unpredictable merging zones. If the system slows down early, it's usually protecting you from traffic ahead, not malfunctioning. Another feature you already have, but may not trust, is lane keeping assistance. Ford offers multiple levels of lane support hidden in the settings menu. Some drivers only use warning mode, while others don't realize steering assistance can be adjusted. Lane assist works best on highways with clear markings. It should be seen as support, not control. Keep your hands on the wheel and let the system reduce fatigue, not replace your judgment. Blind spot monitoring is another accessory many drivers underestimate. It's not just a mirror light. Ford's system detects fast-approaching vehicles and can work even while towing, adjusting detection zones for trailers. The correct habit is to treat the alert as confirmation, not permission. Check mirrors, then trust the warning. Now let's move inside the car. Ford's SYNC infotainment system hides many useful functions that drivers never open. Voice commands are one of the most underused features. You can adjust climate, navigation, and phone calls without touching the screen. This reduces distraction and makes driving safer. Voice control works best when you use natural language rather than exact phrases. Another hidden feature inside SYNC is driver profiles. Many Ford vehicles allow you to save seat position, mirror angles, climate preferences, and even driving behavior. This is especially useful if more than one person drives the car. Instead of adjusting everything manually every time, the car adapts automatically when a profile is selected. Over-the-air updates are another feature many drivers ignore. Ford vehicles can receive software updates that improve performance, fix bugs, and sometimes unlock new features. Check for updates regularly in the system menu. You may already have improvements waiting that you never activated. Let's talk about the automatic start-stop system, a feature many drivers dislike. The reason is simple: they don't know when to use it. Start-stop is useful in long stops, city traffic, and red lights. It saves fuel and reduces emissions. But it should be disabled during stop-and-go congestion, extreme temperatures, towing, or when you need constant power. Use the button intentionally instead of reacting emotionally to the system. Parking assistance is another accessory many owners have but don't trust. Ford's Active Park Assist controls steering, not pedals. The correct approach is slow speed and patience. The system needs time to measure space. You remain in control of braking. Combine Parking Assist with cameras for best results. Speaking of cameras, Ford's 360-degree camera system offers multiple views that many drivers never change. Front split view helps with curbs. Trailer hitch view helps align trailers. Obstacle zoom helps in tight spaces. Learn to switch views manually instead of relying on the default. Your key fob also hides more functionality than you think. Many Ford models allow remote window opening, remote engine start, and panic alarm customization. These features are often disabled by default and must be activated in the vehicle settings. Using remote start correctly helps with cabin temperature and engine comfort, especially in extreme weather. Now let's address dashboard warnings, one of the biggest sources of stress for drivers. Not all warning lights mean danger. Yellow warnings usually indicate a temporary limitation. Examples include sensors blocked by dirt, rain, or snow. Cleaning sensors and restarting the vehicle often solves the issue. Red warnings require immediate attention and should never be ignored. The check engine light is often misunderstood. A steady light usually allows careful driving. A flashing light means stop immediately. Knowing the difference prevents panic and unnecessary towing. Here's a practical habit. When a warning appears, note the conditions. Was it raining? Was the car recently washed? Was it extremely cold or hot? Many warnings are environmental, not mechanical. Now let's move to the final part, the bonus features most Ford owners never discover. Some Ford vehicles allow global window control from the key fob, letting you lower all windows remotely on hot days. Battery saver mode automatically shuts down accessories to protect the battery, especially after short trips. Automatic high beams improve night driving when enabled correctly and when sensors are clean. Trailer sway control actively stabilizes trailers at speed without driver input. And on some models, hidden diagnostic information can be accessed through specific button combinations, offering insight into vehicle health. Ford vehicles are not just transportation. They are adaptive systems designed to help you drive smarter, safer, and more comfortably. But technology only works if you know how to use it. Now you know the Ford features you already have and how to actually use them. Backhand Index Pointing Right, subscribe to the channel if you want more guides like this for Toyota, Chevrolet, Honda, Tesla, and other top-selling brands. Drive smarter, use what you already own, and unlock the technology already inside your car.